यहाँ पे हाथी आया था।
क्लियर होता है, रास्ता क्लियर होता है। लास्ट ईयर भी हम लोग जो रास्ता मिले थे ना,
हाथी आया था यहाँ पे। Here is a question: how the lake has been discovered?
चलो वहाँ पार्टी चल रहा है अब।
So ये क्या है? Look at this tree. The stems are coming from the trunk.
ये मेरा पानी होगा।
Chicken. At the back. So we are heading towards the lake. আপোনালোক থাকিব? ইয়াতে থাকিব? লাগিব নেকি আপোনাক? আছে ন চব? পানী চানী? আহিছোঁ দাদা। আহা ভাইটি। So, अच्छा ऐसे हम लोग रहेंगे, खाना वाना बनाएंगे। জলিয়া ওই জলিয়া
तुम्ही हुना तुम्ही अब गोटे ग्रुप से मारो।
So अभी हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं। हाथी इनका ऊपर उठी उठी बोल के गुंडा ही ऐसे पूरा गुंडा है। हाथी कहाँ से आ रहा है देखते हैं। हाथी आया था। हाथी आया था यहाँ पे। देखो ये सब हाथी का घर बना है। देखो very precious. Anything can happen. They call them बड़ा भाई, बड़ा brother from another mother. Elephant just out. That side. And that side, elephants are there. That side. That's great.
And they used to come and they used to take ये जो है एक वो लोग का ये जो अभी दिखाई दे रहा है इसमें salty water है and इसमें animal हुआ के not only one animal, many kinds of animal like right from the elephant to deer and all they used to come and enjoy the taste of this water, and this water is having the saltiness, it has saline water, that is why they enjoy, and then for digestive method they are drink this water.
I mean, to get the salt, they used to come here.
Yes.
And it's a playing area, I think, for them.
Yeah, this playing area and the injured animal also come, and if they play, then their wound and all that it used to heal.
Yeah, for healing purpose also.
Yeah,
they used
it
to
is.
come.
This water is having the healing power also. And then when the animals are injured, if they are having wound and all, if they play here, then the wound and all it used to heal. So that is they know everything. It's nature's
process.
yeah.
Okay, that's all that our Manasa have said. This is the salt water, which is what we have now seen now. Yeah. This is the same thing.
So where we are now?
Top of the hill,
Great.
nearly to reach the lake.
Okay. It's the other side of the hill, that means.
And this hill and this lake region is completely unexplored and undisturbed area so far, and it is a quite virgin place. And this is the clay hills that we have, and you can have the view from here. Just don't go beyond this, and then this also down there.
Takam Hill.
This is called, we call it the Takam Hill and the clay hill. Hey, don't
Takam
go
Hill.
so near. और ये भी आता है।
Takam Hill है ये जो मतलब कहने का मतलब हमारे का
We are at the top of the hill, going other side towards the lake. You can see at my back, they are coming. So we have encountered many plants and animals, fauna and flora also. Where we've seen it is Spitsrania side now. Those are very new to us. This is the first time I've seen some plants. Balancing is very important here. You have to wear a good amount of shoes. Okay, we'll update you. Here you can see Element Dunk. Rani sir, this is a fresh dunk, right?
Huh?
Fresh one.
Yeah, it's already the
How many hours approximately? Hours or half?
half an hour. And the elephants are already here.
Half an
But
hour
then
ago.
we don't need to be panic. They'll just they're on their own path.
Okay.
We're on our own path, so don't need to be panic.
Now, what is the distance from our destination?
Here near about the half kilometer, 50 to 600, 500 to 600 meters.
Okay, approximately 20 to 30 minutes
Yeah.
more.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Here is a question: how the lake has been discovered?
So lake has been discovered because in way back in 50 years back, there's nobody knows that here it is a lake. So but then because of when the timber business, the log business then started, the people used to looking for the timber, and they used to come visit this place, and according to the track made by the elephants, they just follow this route, this track. Then after that, they have the elephant also used to visit the lake to drink water. So when people visited through the elephant's track, then only the lake has been discovered.
It's almost 50 years back.
Yeah.
अरे माखी
মাখিবিলাক
flies
এইবিলাক বনৰীয়া গছৰ গুটিবিলাক লাগি গৈছে ঘাম আৰু অলপ আচুৰ খাইছোঁ সেইবিলাকৰ ৰস খাবলৈ আহি ভিৰ কৰিছেহি পাৰ্টি হৈছে সিহঁতৰ কাৰণে চলো वहाँ पार्टी चल रहा है
almost at the top. Check out this view. We are at the top of the hill. Oh, amazing. रोबो को सर मतलब रुकने के लिए बोला है सर नहीं वो पीछे और एक बंदा आ रहा है सर ये क्या है
बेसिकली ये मागी विलेज के साथ में ही थोड़ा मतलब जंगल में है। ये तकाम हिल बोलते हैं बेसिकली, एंड वी आर नाउ एट द टॉप ऑफ द तकाम हिल, सबसे ऊंचा जगह पे है। और ये जो एंटायर जगह है ये एक्चुअली इरोशन हुआ है।
Okay.
और इरोशन होके नेचुरली ऐसा बना है। शायद वहाँ में से एक मतलब रिवर भी शुरुआत है वहाँ में। सो एक वो आप पॉइंट देख रहे हैं। एंड तकाम हिल, इसको तकाम हिल बोलते हैं लोकल लैंग्वेज में। सिर्फ क्ले हिल है, तपादिया, एंड इट्स क्ले हिल। और ये मागी विलेज पे ही है। और एक्चुअली बेसिकली मागी विलेज में ये एक मतलब जगह है जो मतलब टूरिस्ट आ सकते हैं, ट्रेवलर्स बेसिकली। और उस तरफ एक रिवर मतलब दैट इज़ लेक है, तो हम लोगों ने पहले डिस्कस किया, दैट इज़ मागी लेक। एंड आफ्टर दिस वी आर गोइंग टू द मागी लेक।
ठीक है सर,
थैंक यू।
so we are resting right now at the cliff. Is the top most part. मजा आया यार, तो बहुत दूर जाना है अभी। Suggested not to touch dry things. This is the topmost point of Magi, nearest to the Magi Lake. There we go. So yes, this is the peak, small peak.
Now I'm standing here in the top of the hill. This is the highest peak of Magi Lake hill area, and we are the team expedition, which is arrived from the Duliajan Oil India. The team led by Mr. Bhargav, Mr. Arindam, Nilpatra, and biology sir is here with me. And in my left, Mr. Majim Taipodia, Eco-Friendly Society General Secretary, and Movam is an expert in the expedition and jungle trekking. So here all of us, we reach here, and then we are enjoying the trekking. It's a very wonderful experience we have this morning. So really we are nearly to reach the Magi Lake, and we are going to enjoy the scenic beauty of the Magi Lake.
So can we shout?
Yes. सामने तो
हाँ हाँ हाँ, क्या है सर?
हवा में भी आता है ना,
क्या
हवा
है?
में भी लगता है ना, रहते गिले this tree is रहते in Assamese we call it the kujli patta, but then this is the bor kujli patta, one of the big king
If
king
it-
kujli patta.
Oh. If it get touched in your body, it will start irritating. Irritation starts. So we are heading downward. Oh, we are going downward नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं हम।
बाबू अरे तो आगे आ जाओ भाई। नहीं जा रहा
Oh! Look at this tree. The stems are coming from the trunk.
These are advantageous.
Hey guys, look at this tree. Roots are coming from the stem, or you can say trunk. Wow. To balance overflow. So we found out the lake, and we are just locating where we should go now. Hey, such a small cut for the thrones. Now we are about to reach near the lake, which is our destination, Magi Lake, and it's very beautiful. पिराना हो बन गया हैं आओ पड़ी कुछ check this out. Wow, perfect timing. Huh?
Yeah, you will enjoy this road more.
And regarding that river route, that will be easier, I think.
River
Unexplored.
route is more easier, and then you will reach.
Magi Lake amidst the hills in all directions. So the water is very much stagnant here, but it is a very beautiful place. And here is our Orindam sir and Nirutpal. This shade is prepared by the local people so that the traveler can take some rest here and enjoy the beautiful view of the lake.
Now we are heading towards the river. So as soon as we reach the river, then it will be easy for us to locate to the lunch area where we have changed our direction from the river towards the hill. Yeah, carefully you have to go.
We are in the river. This is a very hilly terrain, so it is so difficult to move, and normal walking is not possible. So therefore, the locomotion, the animal locomotion is very important. The person who knows the animal locomotion can easily travel this place, and because the hilly terrain is tough to walk, normal walk is not possible. That is why may I request Mr. Bhargav that he is very quite expert in the animal locomotion, so he will teach and he will show the little about the animal locomotion.
Yeah, and for this kind of terrain, it's very difficult, as Ponyadini said. So for this, we have to use 4 foot, no? Like animal, the way animal works. So now we will use our hands as our foot, and we will lower the center of gravity to the ground level. So just I am showing you how to walk and move. So here we are using, yes, come on. Yeah. Okay. Come back.
समय भैया क्या बना है आज? ये क्या है? चिकन रोस्टेड और ये फिश जो हम लोगों ने पकड़ा था, और ये राइस विद बैम्बू। बहुत सही सर, मज़ा आ गया। थैंक यू सो मच। ये देखिए व्हाट एवर वी आर ईटिंग राइट नाउ, This is the thing. Wow. Now we're going to have our lunch here. So we traveled approximately more than 5 to 6 kilometers from the amazing. Hey guys, now we are heading towards our starting point. Approximately 4 kilometers left. I am too tired today. Till now it is 24 kilometers and a bit rest, and charge is also a bit less. I have to charge my phone, so I got my power bank, and now that's it. I will update you regarding any other trekking expeditions. Now after that we'll go to our rest house, then we'll heading towards our hometown, that is Duliajan. Thank you everyone for your support. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. I will share the numbers where you can contact them. You can give my reference, and if you want to track this, it will be an amazing experiences for you.